to talk about teaming the birds or bonding with birds. Let's get started. To teaming with birds, we will always be beside the cages to get fast teaming. After getting a new bird, it is hard to train them. So, I am going to tell you those steps. There's only one simple, easy step, that is putting your hand into the bird's cage. If they are staring at your hand, then I will tell you. The step is to move over, that you have to keep your hand until 10 minutes or 5 minutes.
And I like when you say I'm the one your soul. Is it a love? Yeah, is it a
Being gentle. She told correct. Being gentle to them. The next step is to remove your birds out of the cages. Let them feel comfortable with you and free. And full of that, you should close everything of your house and rooms, and especially turn off your fans. Otherwise, it may hurt your bird's wing while flying. Put your hand in front of the bird's chest and expect to come them on your hand. Please don't do that. That may lose your bird's bond. For that, I will be making another video of training that will be about step up for your bird. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video. Bye.